Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate you how to convert the text into speech. I want to develop the applications like this. For example, if user write here, that is for example, happy birthday Parag, then whenever user click on this speak, see, so the voice message should be there and that is like a happy birthday Parag. If user says that for example, happy Women's Day, then it should speak that the happy women's day. Listen here. So let's start with the Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on create new project. Here you can just click on empty activity. Then here you can give the name of your project. I'm just giving the name of my project is text to speech demo. Then you can choose the language. I want to develop this project in Java, so I'm just selecting Java and then you can click on finish. Now let me clear what I want to do. I want to just take the input from the user in edit text. Whatever user enter the text, I want to convert it into speech. So first of all, you can just move to your activity main.xml file. Here you can just click on that is a source system user interface. Here you can just click on split. Then you can simply remove this particular text view. Now I want the edit text over here. So either you can search or you can click on text and here you can take the multi-line text. I'm just taking the multi-line text over here. Then you can just click on infer constraint. Once it is clicked on infer constraint, then you can select your edit text and here you can set the number of lines. For example, I'm just setting the number of lines is 4. So my edit text will contain the 4 line. Now I want the button over here. So I'm just moving drag and drop one button over here. And this button, whenever user click on this button, I want to just speak the text whatever user has entered into this particular edit text. Here you can just select your button and then you can click on infer constraint. So this button will be automatically placed. This is the button. ID of the button is button and ID of the edit text is edit text multiline. Now I want to develop the code. So how we can do this? Very simple. Here you can just take the instance of text to speech. So here you can write text to speech and then you can declare the instance of text to speech. Here you can declare the instance of edit text. I'm just declaring the instance of edit text is equal to E1 is equal to, now you can just find view by ID r.id dot your edit text multiline. Now I need an instance of button also, so I'm just writing here button b1 is equal to find view by id r.id dot button. And whenever user click on this button, I want to just speak. So here you can just call b1 dot set on click listener. Here in b1 dot set on click listener, you can just pass new control space and you can just press enter. So it will call the view dot on click listener. Now here we can just do what? I want to initialize the instance of TTS. So what I can do, I can just write here TTS is equal to new text to speech. And here in a new text to speech, you need a 2 argument. Here you can press Control P and you will get the 2 argument. One is the context. So I'm just writing here get application context. And the second argument is the text to speech dot on init listener. Then you can simply write new control space and you can press enter. Then automatically anonymous calling of on init listener will be called and it will implement the method on init over here. You can just write the semicolon at the end. Now here in on init function, we can just check is the status is a success or not. So here you can just write if I equal this I is variable declared in the on init function. So you can write here if I equal text to speech dot success. If it is success, then I just want to speak. So what we can set? We can first set the language. So you can write tts.set language. And here you can set the language. For example, if you want to set the US, Canada, China, English, whatever the language that you want to choose, that you can. I'm just setting the language that is local.us. Then you can set the speech rate. For example, if it is a normal speech, then you can set the speech rate is 1. So I'm just setting the text to speech dot set the speech rate, and that is 1.0 f. Then you can just simply call the function that is text to speech dot speak function, and it has the number of argument what you want to speak. So here you can just pass the static text, or you can take the text from the edit text. So here we can do what? Here we can write even dot get text dot to string, and the second argument, that is the text to speech dot what you want to do. I want to set the value in a queue, so I'm just setting the parameter that is the text to speech dot queue add. And at last, if you want to set the parameter, then you can, otherwise you can just pass the null. Once it is done, you can simply run your particular application. Whenever you run this, your application will be run in emulator. Yes, now application is installed in my emulator. Now whatever I am typing over here, for example, I am writing here, that is hello all. I hope you all are enjoying. Thanks and regards, Dr. Parag Shukla. Now I'm just clicking on this button and it will speak. Please listen carefully. What I can see. Hello all. I hope you all are enjoying. Thanks and regards, Dr. Parag Shukla. So this is the way you can develop the application to convert the text into speech. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.